Hey guys, I'm reviewing these mica powders from Amazon. I got them in a 50 pack for around $22 or so. They all come in 5-gram bags. Here you can see they probably fill it like about a third of the way. And the colors are just very, very pigmented. You can see here the ruby color. And again, you get a good amount. And these mica powders, a little bit goes a super long way. I know you can even use mica powders in cosmetics if you're making your own cosmetics line. I've recently even used some mica powder in my clear acrylic, my nail acrylic, to make different color nail acrylics, of course. But it's a good way if you don't really use nail polish and your color never chip. So you can see here how pigmented that chestnut color is. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous. And these all are super pigmented. Can you imagine? Just like with any crafts that you make, that would be just like a cute highlight color. And again, that's chestnut. And later in the video, you'll see pretty soon, I'll go over all of the colors and you can just see how many they give you. They give you such a good selection. You can make so many different combinations with this. And this fuchsia is just gorgeous as well. That'd be a cute lipstick or even a nail color. And this is Blue Rose. I've used this when I was making some coasters. It's so pigmented in a beautiful blue. Violet. This cherry color. This avocado is gorgeous. It reminds me of like a olive green or army green color. Papaya is gorgeous. Chocolate. And they really give you just a couple colors from each little color scheme. You really get some golds, some iridescent whites, kind of unicorn colors. You get your pinks, greens, purples. So you really have a lot to work with, and your imagination can just go wild with the color combinations, and you can create some really beautiful projects. Alright, and I'm just gonna let you guys go over all these colors. There's no need for me to point them off one by one, so enjoy.